Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you the top best Victorinox watches for men of 2024 based on specifications. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon button for my new videos notifications. Number 7. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Professional Diver Watch. Stainless steel case with an orange textile strap. Unidirectional rotating stainless steel bezel. Black dial with luminous silver tone hands and dot hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Screw down crown. Case size, 45 mm. Case thickness, 14 mm. Bandwidth, 22 mm. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, hour, minute, second. Swiss made. Number 6. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Carbon Blue Dial Men's Watch. Black carbon case with a blue textile paracord strap. Fixed black carbon bezel. Blue dial with luminous gunmetal hands and Arabic numeral hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Screw down crown. Case size, 43 mm. Case thickness, 13 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, hour, minute, second. Swiss movement. Number 5. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Carbon Automatic Black Dial Men's Watch. Black carbon fiber composite case with a black rubber strap. Fixed black carbon fiber composite bezel. Black dial with luminous gray hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Screw down crown. Case size, 43 mm. Case thickness, 13 mm. Bandwidth, 22 mm. Deployment with push button release clasp. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, hour, minute, second. Swiss made. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army AirBoss Mechanical Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a brown leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Black dial with luminous hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Chronograph caliber 7750 automatic movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Case size, 42 mm. Case thickness, 11 mm. Bandwidth, 22 mm. Deployment clasp with a push button release. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions, chronograph, date, hour, minute, second. Swiss made. Number 3. Victorinox FieldForce Sport GMT Men's Watch. Gunmetal PVD stainless steel case with an orange rubber strap. Fixed gunmetal PVD bezel with a black ring. Black dial with luminous black hands and Arabic numeral hour markers. 24-hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Case size, 42 mm. Case thickness, 11 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions, date, hour, minute, second. Military watch style. Number 2. Victorinox Alliance Sport Chronograph Gray Dial Watch. Black plated stainless steel case with a black rubber strap. Fixed black plated bezel with a gray ion-plated ring showing tachymeter markings. Gray dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Chronograph, quartz movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal, screw down crown. Case size, 44 mm. Case thickness, 11 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions, chronograph, tachymeter, date, hour, minute, second. Swiss made. Number 1. Victorinox Swiss Army I.N.O.X. Red Dial Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a red rubber strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Red dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Case size, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 14 millimeters. Band width, 21 millimeters. Band length, 8 inches. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute, second, Swiss made.